If 2025 was the year everyone raced to deploy AI agents, 2026 is the year we figure out what to do when they all start talking to each other. Because here's the problem. Companies now have dozens of disconnected agents scattered across departments, each one automating a task in isolation. And the result isn't efficiency, it's chaos. 2025 will go down as the AI agent gold rush. Over 95% of developers experimented with autonomous AI systems. The market exploded from $5 billion in 2024 to a projected $47 billion by 2030. Companies expected an average ROI of 171%. But beneath the hype, a hard truth emerged. Most of these agents were working alone, duplicating logic, and creating what's now called AI sprawl. As we move into 2026, the real shift isn't about building more agents. It's about making them work together. So what exactly is a multi-agent system? Think of it this way. A single AI agent is like a solo freelancer. It has specific skills, handles defined tasks, and works independently. Maybe it's a chatbot answering questions or an AI generating email sequences. Multi-agent systems, on the other hand, are like coordinated teams. You have multiple specialized agents communicating, sharing context, and adapting in real time to accomplish complex goals no single agent could handle alone. A research agent gathers intelligence. A sales agent qualifies leads. A support agent resolves tickets. An operations agent reconciles data. All working together with shared memory and coordinated handoffs. Now, how do these agent teams actually coordinate? There are two main approaches, and they map directly to how organizations are structured in the real world. Centralized coordination works like a traditional hierarchy. A master orchestrator distributes tasks, monitors progress, and makes executive decisions, while specialized worker agents execute their assignments and report back. This gives you clear control, consistency, and easier governance. It's ideal for regulated industries or processes requiring strict oversight. Decentralized coordination is more like a network organization. Agents operate with greater autonomy, negotiating tasks, communicating peer-to-peer, and making local decisions based on their environment. Think of a restaurant kitchen during dinner service. The line cooks, prep team, and expediter aren't constantly checking with the head chef for every decision. They coordinate in real time, adapt to orders as they come in, and keep things moving. This approach offers resilience, parallel processing efficiency, and adaptability, though it requires more sophisticated coordination protocols. So why does this matter for enterprises? Because multi-agent systems solve three critical pain points from the 2025 agent boom. First, AI sprawl. Companies accumulated agents across sales, marketing, and customer service, each operating in silos without awareness of what others were doing. Second, duplicated logic. Multiple teams built similar capabilities independently, wasting resources and creating maintenance nightmares. Third, disconnected workflows. An agent might automate one step beautifully, but manual handoffs and data fragmentation destroyed end-to-end efficiency. Here's where it gets interesting. When you move from demos to production, multi-agent systems start delivering real value. Consider lead routing. A research agent scrapes and enriches prospect data. A qualification agent scores leads based on buying signals. A sales agent personalizes outreach sequences. A CRM agent updates records automatically. All executing as a synchronized pipeline, running autonomously 24/7. In customer support, agent teams handle queries across chat, email, and voice. They predict issues before customers report them, process refunds, track orders, and escalate complex cases to humans only when necessary. For internal operations, agents reconcile financial data, manage inventory, coordinate schedules, and execute recurring workflows with validation gates that prevent costly errors.